Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine in Vintage Story. First, you will need to gather some key items. Make sure you have a sturdy barrel, a few crocks, and a fruit press ready. Next, choose your fruit. Grapes or berries work wonderfully. Finally, ensure you have a consistent water source and a warm fire pit nearby to help with the process. These initial steps are crucial for a successful batch. Once your tools are ready, it is time to prepare the must. Begin by placing your selected fruit into the fruit press. Operate the press to extract all the delicious juice, which we call must. Carefully collect this must into a crock or a similar container. For optimal fermentation, consider adding a small amount of sugar to your must. This simple addition will kickstart the yeast activity, leading to a richer flavor. Now, let us move on to the exciting fermentation stage. Carefully transfer your prepared must into a sturdy barrel. Once the must is inside, seal the barrel tightly. It is important to place this sealed barrel near a consistent heat source, such as a lit fire pit, to maintain the ideal temperature. Allow the must to ferment for several in-game days, usually between 8 and 10 days for the best results. The final steps involve aging and bottling your exquisite wine. After the initial fermentation, transfer the young wine into fresh barrels for the crucial aging process. For a truly superior vintage, allow the wine to age for an extended period, often 20 to 30 in-game days. Once aged to perfection, bottle your wine using glass bottles and secure them with corks. Your homemade wine is now ready to be enjoyed or stored.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.